How to start vocal extraction on Lalal.ai. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Make sure you are logged in and click on the Select Files button from the home page to upload your audio file. Browse your device, choose the file you want to extract vocals from and click Open to begin uploading. After the file uploads, Lalal.ai will start processing it automatically using its AI-based technology. Once processing is complete, you will be able to preview the separated tracks, one for vocals and one for instrumentals. Now, you can listen to only the vocals by clicking the play button above the vocal track. You can also do the same for the instrumental track to hear it separately before downloading. And that's it. Now you know how to start vocal extraction on Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.